SDG number 15, Life on Land. This goal aims to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystem, sustainably manage forests, combat desertification, and reverse land degradation, and halt biodiversity loss. All these efforts combined aim to ensure that the benefits of land-based ecosystems, including sustainable livelihoods, will be enjoyed for generations to come. Every year, millions of hectares of forest lost due to deforestation. Land degradation affects billions of people, reducing agricultural productivity and leading to food insecurity. Our biodiversity is at risk. Many species are facing extinction due to habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. The loss of biodiversity not only affects the natural world but also impacts human well-being, as we rely on this ecosystem for food, water, and medicine. Hi, I am James Raymond Villar, advocating to plant trees that benefits to all of us, not just for humans but also for animals. We all know that trees are the lungs of the earth. It gives us fresh air and it reduces severe flooding. To plant a tree is to believe in tomorrow.